Good morning, and welcome to the Leap Podcast, your concise, level-headed crypto market update from Leap Digital Investments. I'm Patrick Penn. It's Wednesday, 3rd of December, 2025. The past week has been a retail flush. Bitcoin briefly cracked below 84,000, triggering $900 million in liquidations and pushing the Fear and Greed Index to currently 24 out of 100, still in extreme fear territory. Yet, the price structure remains constructive, with smart money doing the exact opposite of the crowd. Bitcoin is already back above 91,400 US dollars this morning, up nearly 6%. Stick around for the summary at the end, but for now, let's leap in. Bitcoin market cap, 1.81 trillion. Today is the day that Vanguard officially opens for crypto. The 11 trillion asset management giant has lifted its decade-long ban and opened Bitcoin ETF trading for its 50 million clients. This is arguably the single biggest legitimacy signal of the cycle. Other heavyweight positives, MicroStrategy added aggressively again and now holds 650,000 BTC. Bank of America is formally recommending a 1 to 4% Bitcoin allocation to clients. BlackRock disclosed that its IBIT spot Bitcoin ETF is now the highest revenue product at $245 million annually. The one headline that spooked the market, MicroStrategy's CEO stated for the first time that the firm would consider selling Bitcoin if its stock trades below net asset value. Markets hate hearing the word sell from the largest corporate holder, but the current 0.95 net asset value discount implies the stock is cheap relative to its Bitcoin stash, not the other way around. Crypto exchange supplies continue grinding toward 2 million BTC, a 12-year low, which could amplify volatility on the way up. Key levels: a weekly close above 94 to 95,000 flips the macro structure to bullish in December. Ethereum. Current price, 2,987, plus 6.7%. ETF flows flipped positive again yesterday, with plus 25,800 ETH daily purchases. Headwinds. ETFs saw a one-day 79 million outflow last week, snapping a 5-day streak, and Vitalik renewed focus on quantum resistance timelines. Still, price has held firm above 2,900, a clean move through $3,050, targets 3,400 to 3,600 quickly. Solana. Current price $138, up 9.6%. Solana is the standout performer this week, up almost 10%. Spot Sol ETFs posted monster inflows, plus 83,144 Sol. The chain still dominates tokenized real-world assets and 24-hour DEX activity. A tiny 13.5 million ETF outflow last week barely registered as noise. Support at $130 is held. $150 is the line in the sand for a move to $180 plus. In summary, institutional accumulation during retail panic. Whales and BlackRock scooped hundreds of millions at the lows while leverage sold. Vanguard's reversal today creates a multi-week inflow catalyst most of the market hasn't priced in yet. Capital is quietly rotating into high conviction coins, and the fear and greed extreme reading is flashing the same capitulation within near and long-term cycle bottoms. Historically, interest rate decisions have influenced market sentiment, and current market data shows an 85% probability of a cut in December. Institutional participation often increases following major announcements, such as those from large asset managers like Vanguard. These trends are worth monitoring for those studying market dynamics. That concludes your market update for the 3rd of December 2025. Please see YouTube and Spotify descriptions for more information. Remain calm and stay informed. Thank you for listening to the Leap Podcast.